Hello, my dear students of class 7. How are you all? I hope you are all well and you have been doing well. Before the vacation, I hoped that after the summer vacation, we will meet in the school and we will continue our teaching learning process. But unfortunately, we cannot do that at this moment. You know why? Because of this pandemic situation, right? So we have to continue our teaching learning process in this way, right? So the next text, that is Gopal and the Hilsa fish, that we are going to discuss at this moment. So before you read, have you ever read a comic book? Means there you see pictures and one or two lines, right? Sometimes in newspaper also you find comics, right? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures, right? So this text is in the form of a comic. Text is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So Gopal, the character, and the Hilsa fish. Right. So it was a season for Hilsa fish. Particular season where you get Hilsa fish, right? In this monsoon, right? You get this fish abundant. And fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishermen they just catch Hilsa fish and they sell and they earn a lot of money, right? Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmonger means the businessmen businessmen actually who deal in fish. They sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come by, the price of Hilsa fish is down today. They used to say, or they would say, come buy Hilsa fish, as in the market, fish market. So they ask, come buy Hilsa fish, and the price is down today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. Householders also they discuss nothing but only about Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? The householders, someone's wife asks means her husband, right? You wouldn't believe if I told you, means he bargained, okay, and he got cheap price, right? That's why, or sometimes he had to pay a lot of money, so that's why you wouldn't believe if I told you. And in the palace too, the courtiers means the gentlemen of that court, okay, the court of the king, could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. They also discuss about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was. Your Majesty, they just give respect to king and say, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was very huge. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Who are you? Are a courtier or fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. The king scolded with, are you fisherman or a courtier? Don't talk rubbish, right? And the courtier fell silent and downcast, means sad, right? The king felt guilty. I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one. And I am sorry, right? They used to say. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Gopal cannot stop anyone from talking about hill service. Not even for 5 minutes. At 5 minutes they used to talk about. So the kind of craze with the hill service. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Oh, I think I could, Majesty. I could stop. Then let me see. He buy a huge hill service and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then the king just gave a challenge. You saw me after buying a huge hill service and just bring it to palace and don't, and so that no one asks you. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. I accept the challenge. Said. A few days later, what is your face? Why is your face half seven? Right? Gopal's wife asked Gopal, why is your face half seven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. Gopal answered, he was dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? Why are you just smearing yourself with ash? Smearing means covering, painting yourself with ash. Means he was putting ash over his face. I told you I'm dressing up to buy a hill service. Gopal said again. Listen to me, please. You cannot possibly go out in these disgraceful rags. Means Gopal dressed in rags. Okay, rags means the torn clothes and painting ash over his face. And his wife said, don't go out in this dress. Okay, this is so much disgraceful. What are you up to? What do you want? How many times must I tell you, woman, I'm out to buy a huge hill service? The Gopal answered, how many times did I tell you? Or how many times he repeated the word that he went out to buy hill service? It's happened to him, he's gone mad. And his wife thought that Gopal became mad. Then Gopal bought a hill service and started walking towards the palace. Also the king. Mother, look at the man. The man, isn't he comical? Someone was saying, some someone's child was asking his mother, his or her mother, that see, is the man comical? That comical man. Yes, then he must be a madman. Someone was saying madman, pagal hai. A huge hush. I think he is a mystic means mysterious man. When Gopal reached the court, then the gatekeepers asked, what do you want? I want to see the king, Gopal answered. You cannot see the king. Get away with you. You cannot meet the king. Just go out. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. The man is mad. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. And then the Gopal said, I want to see the king and let me in. Bring the man to come to me at once. Then the king ordered, bring the man to me at once. Yes, Your Majesty. Yes, then they allowed. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. When the man became mad, the courtier said, I think it's one of his crazy jokes. Someone is saying that no, he is joking. Alright, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous, this mocking fashion and style? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then Gopal said, Your Majesty means that kind of sir, giving respect, and said, you must have forgotten something. Forgotten something? What? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hill service today. And he was saying that no one is interested in hill service today. From the market to the palace and to the court, not a soul has spoken a word about hill service. And he said, from the market to the palace, on the road, no one asked about hill service, or the price of hill service. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Challenge. Ha ha, well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. You have achieved something impossible. Means someone was buying hill service and no one asked him about the hill service. That's the thing that he achieved. That's all for today, and you will do the question and answer. Thank you.